Learning Gaelic through metalcore part 3. So that noise, éist, is listen. I often heard this in the context of nachistú, which is won't you listen? Something my mother would say to me, nu the vamiork, because I was an idiot. Now that two-worded phrase, Suidh Sios, sit down. Suidh, which you'll often hear Gaelic speakers use with dogs. Suidh, and then Sios, which is the direction. So Suidh Sios, sit down. The song, rather than being about telling dogs to sit, is about people who talk too much. You should really take a seat. This is a great example of Gaelic sentence structure. Gaelic starts with the verb. So inntinneach is won't tell, mishahoot, I to you, A-rithist, again. So literally, won't tell, I to you, again. Inntinneach mishahoot A-rithist. Conversationally, of course, that is, I won't tell you again. Inntinneach mishahoot A-rithist. Suidh Sios. As always, this was fun, and we will do it again. So now we check.